Hello everyone, this is me Maha, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing good and are in great spirits. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss book exercise for Unit 13 जिसका नाम है Faithfulness. We'll start the discussion of book exercise by discussing the exercises related to vocabulary section first. So first question related to vocabulary is, to endanger is a verb from danger. Write down 5 verbs with the prefix en and use these words in sentences. Prefix वो होते हैं जो word के शुरू में आते हैं. So en से जो words हैं, first is enclosed, second is enhance, third is enslave, fourth is encounter, and fifth is enchant. Second question is, give meaning of the following phrasal verbs and use these phrasal verbs in sentences. So first is with all my strength. इसका मतलब होता है with full power. And sentence is, she won tug of war with all her strength. Second is to call to account. इसका meaning होता है to demand an explanation of. So sentence होगा इसका, ministers should be called to account for their corruption. Third is to hand over. इसका meaning होता है to render or to give. So the sentence is, the police officer ordered the criminal to hand over his weapons. Fourth is as usual. इसका मीनिंग होता है रेगुलर और कॉमन, और इसका सेंटेंस है I found him in the garden strolling around as usual. So fifth is no sign of. It means no indication, and the sentence is he was so badly injured that he showed no sign of recovery. Sixth is to have its course. इसका मीनिंग होता है to develop in the usual way and reach a natural end. So the sentence is, the doctor said we just had to let the disease run its course. Third question related to vocabulary is, use the following in sentences as verbs and nouns. So first is fall. Verb के तौर पे अगर हम इसे use करें तो इसका sentence होगा, the branch fell from the tree, and as a noun, he had a nasty fall on the ice. Second is lead. Verb, the door leads to the basement, and as a noun, China has a solid lead over India. Third is control. As a verb, we all should try to control our anger, and as a noun, we never lost control of herself. Fourth word is grant. As a verb, headmistress granted us permission to go on a trip. As a noun, several major foundations made large grants to fund the research project. Fifth word is stand. As a verb, we had to stand for the entire performance. And as a noun, the newspapers were arranged on a stand. Sixth word is mind. As a verb, I don't mind your behavior. And as a noun, he reads to improve his mind. Seventh word is demand. As a verb, she demanded to see the manager. And as a noun, his demands for attention were never ending. Let's move on to next question. Translate paragraph 5 into Urdu. So fifth paragraph क्या है? Hazrat Umar Ghafari Rasool Ta'ala anhu, wait a little more, there is still time. If it does not come, I'll give my life in his stead to fulfill justice. Caliph, in case the murderer does not return, the law will have its course. So इसका ट्रांसलेशन कुछ ऐसा है, हज़रत अबूज़र गफ़ारी रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हा, कुछ देर और इंतज़ार करो, अभी भी वक्त है. अगर वो नहीं आया तो इंसाफ के हुसूल के लिए मैं उसकी जगह अपनी ज़िंदगी दूंगा. खलीफा, अगर कातिल वापस नहीं आता है तो कानून पर अमल दरामद होगा. Thank you.